Welcome to a setup video with Kim Tech. My name is Kim. Today we'll be unboxing and setting up the tp-linkdeco XE5300. It's the 3-pack from Costco. I recently bought it for $349.99. It's US dollars, so roughly $350. This includes 3 identical Wi-Fi 6E routers, and it's marketed to cover up to 7,200 square feet, and a max of 200 devices can be connected to it. If you're eager to set this up, then go ahead and go to the description box below and click on the timestamp so you can fast forward and skip the unboxing part. First, power off your modem and disconnect your old router from the modem. Then power your modem back on and plug in your new router and power your new router on as well. I recommend plugging one of the routers to your modem before opening the app and turning it on because it takes some time for the light to change from yellow to blinking blue. And blinking blue means that it's ready to start. While waiting for your modem and router to be turned on and ready, go ahead and download the Deco app if you haven't already. In the Deco app, I'm going to opt out of the user experience because I don't want TP-Link or its third party to collect my info. Paranoid a little? Yes. Go ahead and log in. If you don't have an account, then go through the process of creating one. I'm going to log in since I already have one. Then selecting not now because I don't want my phone to remember my password. Sticking to the paranoid theme here. Now selecting, let's begin. I don't think I've turned on local network yet, so I'm going to tap go to settings so I can be taken to my phone settings to enable this feature because I cannot set up the router via the app without it. Select the router model. In our case, it's the XE5300. Go ahead and tap the arrow in the blue circle for next because you would have these items plugged in already if you follow my recommendation earlier. Same thing here with power off your modem, tap the next arrow. Your device should already be plugged in. If not, please do so and continue tapping the next arrow. Your router should be blinking blue by now. If not, then it's about to. So go ahead and go next. Make sure your Wi-Fi is on your phone. Tap Wi-Fi is on to go to the next screen. The app will start looking for the router. Once the app finds your router, it will try connecting to it. Once successful, will label where the location this router is located. I'm going to label mine master bed because it's located in the master bedroom. Next, leaving this default, and next. Now adding your network name, pretty much what you want to call your Wi-Fi. Give it a password. It's going to take a bit creating your network. I'm fast forwarding it here. Now enter your password to connect to your newly created Wi-Fi. Tap connect, then join. Now your Wi-Fi is ready to use, and next. If you plug in other Deco units, they'll be automatically added to the network within 2 minutes. This is true as I'll show you with a demo briefly here. So it's going to take a bit for you to see inbound and outbound traffic. I can access the internet and browse, so the setup of the main router is complete. Next, let's set up the other router that came with this set. I'm only gonna show you how to set one of them because the process is the same for all of them. It doesn't matter which router you pick because they are identical to each other. You just have to turn them on and wait. It will set up on its own without requiring you to do any additional configuration. I was surprised how well this worked. The bottom of the Wi-Fi router shows the device SSID, which is the last 4 digits of the MAC address. This is how you can quickly tell which non-main router has been added from a quick glance on the app. Check the Deco app on the main dashboard for an envelope with a red dot, which means you have an unread message. Click on it and you'll be prompted to update your firmware. I'm going to run through this and install the update. You will lose connection for a bit after the update has been completed because the routers are rebooting. That was easy, right? This is done with an iPhone, so if you're using an Android, it might look a little different, but it shouldn't be much though, because the process is still the same. I'm gonna do some testing on this and get back with a review, so stay tuned. Hope you all find this video helpful. If you do, please click the thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you again and have a nice day or night wherever you are, my buddies. Until next time, bye!